Okay, so, ito ang ating, okay. So, here is another recipe. This one is, anong tawag nito? Okay, good morning! Hello once again. Welcome to Mama's Kitchen Grabby. So, we have another recipe for today. So, ang lulutuin natin is pork steak with mushroom in creamy corn sauce recipe. Yan. So, eto na yung ating pork steak sa ating pan. Kailangan lamang natin siyang pakuluan para lumambot. At narito naman sa kabilang side yung ating mga recipe na kakailanganin. So, we only need onion, damihan ng konti, garlic, and then mushroom, yung na-slice na. And then, meron tayong slurry, yung ating all-purpose flour with water. Tapos, meron na akong spare na lalagyan. For the butter, kakailanganin natin ng butter. And syempre, kailangan natin ng creamy corn syrup, and then oil. Hayaan muna natin kumulo yung ating pork para siya ay lumambot. We have to gently remove yung nasa ibabaw na bula-bula. Yan. There's always an alternative solution when it comes to cooking. Kailangan lang maintindihan natin na hindi naman kailangan sobrang busisi. Kailangan malinis lang tayo mag-prepare lagi ng food to avoid the contamination. Okay, so palalambutan lang natin siya, tinanggal lang natin sa kanya yung dumi-dumi. And then, pakuluan ulit. Okay, let's check na yung ating meat. So, habang may konti pa siyang water, halos paluto na rin siya. So, kailangan lang i-check kung lumambot yung ating mga karne. Okay, so far, medyo tender na siya. Madali na siyang ma-slice. Okay, yan. So, konti na lang yung water na natitira. Pag totally natuyuan yan, igilid lang natin. Okay, so it's almost done yung ating meat. So, ang gagawin natin is set aside. Ito lang naman ang pinaka easiest way na lutuin ang ating pork steak with mushroom in creamy corn sauce na recipe. So, let's add a little amount of olive oil. And then, para medyo nag-i-slide lang siya. Maglalagay tayo ng at least 1/4. Wait. And then, let's add mga 1/4 ng butter. Allow it na mag-melt sa ating pan with little amount of olive oil. Yan. Tapos, we're going to add na yung ating onion. Hayaan na natin yung yung butter na malusaw dahan-dahan habang nagiging transparent naman yung color ng ating onion. Okay. So, yung ating meat, hindi naman yan maaano riyan. Hayaan lang natin siya sa isang tabi. Yan, ang bango niya. Okay. Tapos, let's add the garlic. Yan. So, pagka ganito na mga creamy ang ating niluluto, masarap na lumalasa sa kanya yung onion and garlic. Anak, ano yung amoy?
Tasty.
Tasty agad. O, diba? Yan. And then, pwede na natin i-add sa kanya yung ating mushroom. Yan. So, pwede na nating i-mix yung ating meat sa butter. Okay. And then, we're going to open our creamy corn syrup. Be careful. Okay, sa pag-open ng ating mga delata. Dahil sa mga delata, marami akong teklat sa kamay. Oh, look at that. One of them is this one, that one, that one, that one. I forgot to mention this one. Ilagay natin yung ating creamy corn. Yan. Actually, pwede natin gamitin yung half lang nito. And then, let's mix 1 cup of water muna. Yan. Allow this one to boil for a few minutes. Yan. Before we add the slurry. Ayan. Hayaan muna natin siyang kumulo. Okay. So, allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. And before that, add muna tayo ng salt. At least 1 teaspoon of salt siguro. Or lesser, you can add some salt naman kapag ka alam mo medyo matabang pa siya. Yan. Okay, so let's check. So, eto na siya. I have added a little garlic powder and white pepper para makadagdag sa kanyang lasa at amoy. So, ang hindi na lang natin na ilalagay ay yung ating slurry. Yan. Kailangan lang haluin natin para matiken, thicken yung kanyang sauce. Yan. Okay, so here's our pork steak with mushroom in creamy corn sauce. Kung nagustuhan mo yung ating recipe for today, please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to push the notification bell below to get more updates. Thank you for watching! Okay, so eto na yung ating recipe for today. Kapag nagustuhan mo, like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to push the notification bell to get another update next time. Bye and thank you for watching!
Bye!
Hi! Eto ang ating recipe for today. Pork steak with mushroom and creamy corn sauce. So if you want to try this one at home, please check and watch the full video. Bye and thank you for watching!